Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. The answer is yes, but it's not easy. Okay, they have what's called the Hague Convention. Not every country is a party to the Hague Convention, but if the country is a party to the Hague Convention, then there are tons of other requirements one needs to do in order to bring in an adopted child. And the bottom line main purpose for the Hague Convention is to prevent child trafficking. Okay, I mean that's the bottom line. So in lieu of what used to be relatively easy, now of course complying with the Hague Convention means you have to have entities on both sides of um, the petition, meaning in the U.S. and the foreign country. It needs to go through all the proper procedures. You need to dot your I's and cross your T's. And I'll be honest with you, you better have about $20,000 in fees in order to do everything necessary to bring a child in the Hague, under the Hague Convention. Now, there are other various alternatives depending. For example, if a child happens to get here in the U.S. and the parents have abandoned or have been killed, or the child's an orphan in some way or another, and the child is under 18 in some jurisdictions, it could be less than that, but for the most part under 18, then you could apply basically on behalf of this kid for what's called a Special Immigrant Juvenile Petition, or a SIJ petition. And that is essentially a two-parter. One, where the state in some manner or another orders control through family law court generally of jurisdiction of the child. And then secondly would be doing the SIJ petition itself. And that doesn't have to be done before they're 18, but there are limitations, obviously. And if that's approved, then the green card happens right there. With the adoption petition under the Hague Convention, of course, you have to adopt the child under the entire Hague Convention scenario. And then there's the living requirements and several different other requirements that need to be met in order to bring the child in. So I would also need to know if the child is in Mexico right now and is an orphan. There's other options as far as that goes as well. So there are possibilities. It's just a matter of which one realistically can be done under the current circumstances. Okay.